Aloha, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, how do I see y'all? Also known as Ms. Queen Ro. All right, I gotta stop. So welcome to my channel. Please make sure you subscribe if you're interested in the content that I do provide. If you are following me on my Instagram, you already know what this tea is about, honey. Let's get right into it because I don't want to make this video too long. I've been trying to focus on other things during this whole pandemic. And one of the things that I am focusing on is definitely my health, both internally and externally. This tea is phenomenal. It's amazing. I freaking love it. It helps to detoxify. It helps you to speed up your metabolism. It helps you to digest food better, and it helps with bloating as well as it helps to burn fat. So I only use 3 ingredients, and I'm gonna show you right now how I prepare the pineapple slimming tea. Keep on watching. All right, guys, so first things first, you need a pot and you need a knife. Those are essential. And you need cinnamon. You can do cinnamon powder or you can do cinnamon sticks. I prefer cinnamon sticks in my first batch, and I'll explain that later. You need ginger. This little piece right here, I already had from my previous time that I have used ginger. And I'm going to cut maybe half of that. You also need a measuring cup. This is a 1 liter measuring cup because that's going to come in handy. The water content and the water amount is very, very important. And you need 2 pineapples. What you're going to do first is you're going to wash these pineapples good. This is the longest part of the video because I took my time washing these babies, especially during a pandemic, right? We're all health conscious right now. I just wanted to make sure that everything was washed off of these pineapples. All the dirt and all the debris and everything like that was just washed off. I took my time washing these, like I said. Now, I used one of these plastic Brillos. You could definitely use that. You can also use one of those brushes that you find at Dollar Tree or anywhere like Walmart and places like that. So now that the pineapples are nice and washed, I just make sure that all the soap is gone. This is very, very important. All the soap must be gone and must be washed off. So now that they are nice and washed, they're all ready. So the first thing that I do is I cut off the crown. That's the easiest way for me. Then you just cut off the bottom part of the pineapple. That little section right there was rotten, so you just want to make sure you don't have that in your pineapple. So I just cut it off and I just toss that. I get rid of that. So all you have to do is very, very easily just cut the sides of the pineapple, and you just want the peel. Now I do leave a little bit of the actual pineapple on the peel. Like I don't go ahead and I do it thin. I leave a little bit of the pineapple meat, right? Of the fruit. When I finish cutting off the peel, I notice that sometimes I have little leftovers, which is what's going on here. So I just make sure that I cut all of that off because I want to use as much of the peel as possible. This is the second pineapple. Same thing happened. The bottom part was a little bit brown. I don't want to throw the whole thing out. So I just, do the same thing as the previous one. I just cut a little bit of it. And again, you want to make sure that you don't have too much meat on the peel, but you don't have like just the peel by itself. You know what I mean? If that makes any sense. And again, I went back and I just got rid of all the little nubs and all those little pieces that just stayed on the pineapple because I really want to use as much as possible. Now that we got rid of the peel and we're left with the actual pineapple itself, I like to eat the pineapple. If you don't like pineapple, you could do it in a smoothie and it's amazing. So pineapple has bromelain, pineapple has vitamin C. It's amazing for your digestive system. It's amazing to release toxins from your body. It doesn't make you go to the bathroom to do number two. It might make it easier for you to release toxins that way. But just getting a little bit TMI, you will be urinating a lot. So all of the toxins in your body and all of the bloatedness that you feel is going to be released through urine. So get ready to do that, okay? Now, I like to eat the pineapple, like I said, so I just put this aside in a container to eat for later. I also use the core. That's what I'm doing here. I'm cutting off the pineapple itself, and I'm making sure that the core is just as thin as possible as I can get it. Also, what you want to make sure is that you're not putting the whole pineapple core. I like to cut it in half. That way it's much easier and it just makes it easier for you to put in the pot. Also, I use the ginger. I cut up the ginger in very small pieces, like I am showing you right here. And I like to use a lot of ginger. So, yeah. This is 1 liter of water. You're going to use 2 liters and a half. This is the second liter. So per pineapple, it should be 1 liter. Because I am using a lot more ingredients, I'm doing 2 liters and I waited for the pot to boil. This is very, very important. Wait until the water boils and then you insert all your ingredients. You can use a bigger pot if you want to, but don't use more than 2 liters and a half when you're using 2 pineapples, okay? Also, you want to be very, very careful because the water is boiling. You don't want to burn yourself. Don't forget about the cinnamon sticks. Now, you can use up to 3 cinnamon sticks per pineapple. I'm using 5 because I don't like a lot of cinnamon. And these cinnamon sticks are quite big, so it's really, really good. Now, all I'm doing here is just mixing the things together, making sure that everything is nice and spread out. And you want to put a lid on it because it's crucial once the boiling starts. You don't want all the water to evaporate. Make sure that once it starts to boil, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, you set the fire on low as possible. And then you put the lid on it. Leave this in for about 15 to 20 minutes. I started at 301 and 15 minutes later, 316, the water and everything is boiling. All of these ingredients have released all of their amazing properties, so you can go ahead and just turn this off and serve. I'm adding a little bit of lime, half of a lime, no sweetener, no honey, nothing. It doesn't need anything. Pineapples is as sweet as it is, and lime is an amazing antioxidant. Now, this part right here is optional. I like to do it because I like to get the best out of these pineapple peels. I removed the cinnamon sticks and I added 1 liter of water after letting that tea rest overnight. I didn't put it in the refrigerator right away. So what I did was I added 1 liter of water and I added a spoonful of cinnamon powder after it started to boil. This is optional. I like to do it because the wonderful properties that the pineapple peel and the ginger have are released to its capacity. Make sure you store it in the refrigerator for no more than 3 days. Drink it within 3 days' time and enjoy. So, what you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Follow me on all of my social media pages. Tell me about this amazing tea because I know you will love it. First of all, it's tasty as heck. It smells amazing. You could drink it in the morning, you could drink it throughout the day, you could drink it at night. But let me know what you guys think. So go ahead and share this video with your family and friends or anybody that needs this tea in their life, especially during this pandemic. Thank you for watching this video. I'll have everything in the description box. I love you guys so much. I will see you on the next one.